1 divided by u minus 1 divided by v is equal to 1 divided by f. Find u in terms of f and v. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question wants us to find u in terms of v and f in this relation. It means that we have to make u the subject of this relation. The relation is 1 divided by u minus 1 divided by v is equal to 1 divided by f. We are going to make u the subject. We have fractions here, and so we have to multiply through the equation by the LCM of the denominators. Here, the LCM of the denominators will be a product of the denominators. So u times v times f. And so the LCM will be u, v, f. We will use this LCM to multiply each term. The first one is 1 divided by u. So we have 1 divided by u times u, v, f. The next one is 1 divided by v. So we have minus 1 divided by v times u, v, f is equal to, the last one is 1 divided by f. So we have 1 divided by f times u, v, f. When we do this, you can see that u and u cancels each other out. V and v cancels each other out, and f cancels each other out. And so we will be left with fv minus fu is equal to uv. Remember, we are making u the subject, so I'll make sure that all the terms that contain u are on one side of the equation. And so I will send fu from the left hand side to the right hand side. When I do that, we are going to have fv is equal to fu plus uv. I'll factorize u out here. And so when I do that, I'm going to have fv is equal to u into bracket f plus v. I want to make u the subject, so I'll divide both sides by f plus v. So I'll divide the left hand side by f plus v and divide the right hand side by f plus v. That will give me fv divided by f plus v is equal to u times f plus v divided by f plus v. F plus v and f plus v cancels each other out, and so we will have u is equal to fv divided by f plus v. We have expressed u in terms of f and v, and we have u is equal to fv divided by f plus v. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.